Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Still Tuesday, June the 6th, 2023. Already solved 3 puzzles: the 1-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So the last one is always a Tectonic with 4 stars in Dutch. They call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 65501. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 15, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Here 1 and there 1. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle dual box? A dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Here we have a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Need more information. Insufficient information right now. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 and 2 triple boxes. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, those 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left on 3 should be there. And the other 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2. Alright. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can be a 4 because we have a 4 in the same area, so this should be a 5. Here, another triple box. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. But it can't be a 5 anymore because we have a 5 in the same area, so it should be a 4 then. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, let me check. Here we have a quadra box. Here we have a quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. This box can be a 1, this box can be a 4, so the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, so 1 digit left in this quadra box should be the number 3. Alright. The next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? Nope. Then the following shape. How about yeah, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. Nope. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember it's rotated, this T shape, that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case it's the 1 or a 2. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, only one T shape. Then the following shape, how about the Z construction? The Z or the S construction. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S. But in this case, we have a Z construction. Remember that This box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's the 1082. 1082. Well, we have a 1 here, so it can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. It's connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright, but also this box is also connected with that box, should be also 2. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 1. And in this Z construction, remember that also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question, wait, 4, maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. This box can be a 2. This box can also not be a 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area. For number 5, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 1. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means in this triple box, these 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. This box can be a 1, this box can be 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be a 3. These 3 boxes can be a 3. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, that box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. No. Correction. Yeah. Wrong conclusion because I've not I thought this box was already filled in. No. Okay, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. So these two boxes can be a 1, we have a double 1 there. But also those two boxes can be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Okay, this box can be 3. This box can be a 5, so 3 and 5 goes in those two boxes. 3 and 5, 3 and 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, but also that box can be a 5, because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Wow. Come on. Let me think. 3 and 5. 1, 2. Also 3 and 5 here. Need a 2 here. Well, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Need a 2 here. 3. Need a 5 here. This box can be a 5, because we have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. And the 2 could be everywhere. Well, no 5 here, 5. 1 and a 2. I need to think. 1, 2, 3. Well, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be a 1, can be a 2, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4, and can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 4. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. We have a double 2 there, that means that this box can be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there, and I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left, 1 number 2, and the 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. These are 3 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And the last 2 digits in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. It is in 15 minutes. Well. Not a 1 star, but a 2 stars puzzle. Well, not the 3 stars, not the 4 stars, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.